Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get the Serene String Rod in Fisch on Roblox. So first of all, you need to load into the Fisch Roblox game and make sure that you have enough progress because the Serene String Rod is usually not a starter item. You will need access to the higher level zones and same in-game currency and materials. Now you need to head to the road shop or the crafting area where the rare roads are unlocked. Then you need to look for the Serene category or special road section. Now if the Serene road is available in the shop, it will show the price and the requirements like level, the quest completion or a special item. If it is locked behind a quest, you need to talk to the NPC which is linked with the Serene area. The quest usually includes the tasks like catching certain rare fish or collecting the items from the chests or completing fishing challenges in the specific zones. Now finish the quest objectives and return to the NPC in order to basically unlock the road. Now, if the road requires material, you can start farming by opening the chests, fishing in the correct zone, and then you need to complete the events until you have the required parts. So once you have collected everything, you can go to the crafting station and craft the Serene String Rod. Now after unlocking it, you need to open your inventory by using the options here in the bottom. When you open it, simply look for Serene String Rod and you need to simply equip it. Now you can use it in the higher zones where the rare fish spawn. This rod usually gives better performance for the rare catches, so it is best used in the late game water areas. So that's how you are going to get the Serene String Rod in Fisch Roblox. You just have to simply unlock the zone, complete the quest or the requirements like buy or craft the rod and equip it for the rare fishing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.